21 murals in total. Or maybe 18, I cut 3 out. 18.
18 murals! What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today we're going on a mural tour rollout through Long Beach. Let's go!
I got better things to do, but I spent my precious time chasing somebody who loves me.
This is a Long Beach mural tour. Exploring Long Beach on roller skates.
What made you want to do it?
I like roller skates, I like murals, and I like Long Beach.
Excellent. Are we gonna do it again?
Absolutely. Are you gonna get a video of yourself currently? With
Yeah.
the mayo around your face?
Oh,
Let me see you taking a bite of this. What are you doing right now, Rebel?
eating elote. It's so good.
Let's roll! Let's roll, yeah! That's so funny.
Are you all ready to roll out, partner?
In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. I found your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. If you were me, you would do the same. And I really love to play. And now that I want
Mural number 1.
you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle
Yeah, Van Gogh, Picasso, yeah, it's really famous. There's a, yeah, you can get to those if you skate all the way up to the skate. If we skate down, we're gonna make a left turn. You can
all you wanted was a game to play. You couldn't handle that I had my ways. I found your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, 'cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Just say prune. No, just say prune.
I did it!
Regret, we make out, but we live it. Mess around, but we live it. Don't stop now, never let this end. But we live it, we can have it, no regret.
We've already seen like 3 murals and we're going to a bunch more. Yeah! Skate towards the colorful buildings.
We can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make
Skate park! We're not going to the skate park! Are we making a side trip to the skate park? Bye, skate park. Hell yeah! I'm so sorry.
Love me like a stranger, like a melody, throwing melody.
Thank you.
Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away.
Ooh, she is queen. I love her. She is so beautiful. She is beauty. She is grace. What?
Love me like a stranger.
watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Hope you enjoyed this visual tour around Long Beach. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. Later, skaters!